Difference between cider and wine, well, the similarity is that it is a fruit product, and we can make anything from fruit here at the winery under our license. The main difference is we can provide a product much more quickly, and instead of 5 to 7 years for wine, it is maybe a month or two for the cider. Another thing is not everybody who comes in here with their friend or spouse or partner enjoys wine as much as maybe something else. And so this is our something else to offer for our non-wine drinker. It's lower in alcohol, very refreshing, not too sweet, and we'll have lots of fun with the various flavors that we're coming out with. We'll be starting out with a sour apple, one that we call Maggie's Melon, so it's a watermelon margarita style, a persimmon lavender, pineapple habanero basil, not too spicy, just a hint of spice. And then the other one is a mojito style, so a lime-based product. And there'll be others to follow, and some seasonal ones too. This is the persimmon lavender. That one, you can definitely tell the smell.